What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another vlog. It is Sunday, the last day of Ramadan, and I supposed to be in the kitchen, start my prepping for my Eid treats. And I'm sitting right here on the couch. John is upstairs. It is raining. That is making me feel sleepy, like it's telling me to go back to bed and just don't do anything, and that is impossible. I need to start my prep. I have a lot to do, and I also don't know what to wear on Eid. I have few dresses that I want to pick, and I didn't make up my mind yet. So after Ramadan, I'm gonna start a new diet, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me on my diet. So let's see. We're gonna start right after Ramadan, and in a month, let's see how many pounds I'm gonna lose. So that way you guys can have an idea as well. But this diet will be for my own health and my own idea. You don't have to follow that if you don't feel like it. This Ramadan, I lost 8 pounds without any diet. I just couldn't eat enough this time. I couldn't eat suhoor properly. I just eat very, very less. But my days was like fine. I wasn't like bothered and feeling hungry or anything. I was just fine. I have lost 8 pounds this Ramadan just by eating very less. I don't know, this time of the year, this Ramadan, I couldn't eat well, so all I have to eat was just little portion, like very little portion.
Too short, so I have to crouch
we are
down.
taking selfie, and look at the height of John,
Her
and look
arm
at
doesn't
me.
reach up to catch my face.
John is sitting beside me in the traffic again, moving bumper to bumper, and he is going crazy. He is going crazy, out of his mind. Right?
Right. Bumper to bumper. That's all I have to say, folks. It's frustrating, annoying, tiring, annoying, and frustrating. Bumper to bumper.
It is Eid today. Eid Mubarak, everyone who are celebrating this white color, which looks bright and perfect for Eid, and also so comfortable. And long dress comes with lining inside, so comfortable too. So another cozy dress. They're all comfy, all cozy, and I just love the mustardy color. This one is a little bit loose as well, but also so wide in the bottom, and this one does not come in a lining, and it's not transparent. It is also long sleeve and so comfortable. I think I'm gonna stay with this one today. I did not blow dry my hair. I just did braided, and I'm just gonna leave it like that. When my hair gets dry after adding the leave-in conditioner, it just goes like little curly, not really, but like a beach wave. So starting tomorrow, I'm starting my diet, which I already tried a few years ago. I have tried already my diet, and I lost almost 15 pounds, or maybe 15 pounds in less than 5 months, maybe 4 months, 4.5 months. And that diet include only my home meal, and time to time I have eaten outside, but not that much. And anything I eat, I just control my portion, making sure that I don't go over my portion. And then but this time I'm gonna try a different kind of diet. Now I'm gonna give you an update in a month. Ever since I'm gonna start tomorrow, so in a month I'm gonna give you an update. How is the diet going? I am going to make sivaya in the milk, vermicelle d'angulé, and this is going to be a different different kind. I'm just gonna change it a little bit as usually how we make it. I got milk in here, Cornish milk, condensed milk, sugar, just a little bit, some cardamom, green cardamom. Sivanya vermicelli is in, and now over low heat, I'm gonna let it cook, comes to a boil, and our vermicelli, our vermicelli de gelée or sivanya in the milk is going to be ready. And then I'm gonna just sprinkle some nuts on it. I am enjoying this beautiful weather. I love sunny and slightly windy. I am going to get coffee since Ramadan is done. Johnny, your coffee is here.
Thank you so much.
Is this your reaction when you have coffee?
I need my coffee.
Why you have Tukan? Are you cold?
I have pressure on my head, so it helps with the pressure.
So
Much stress at work.
Too much stress at work. So John has an extra large coffee and I have only a large.
Yum, yum.
John finished his coffee and I still have a quarter left about this side. This amount left for me. And now he is going to have my leftover because I don't feel like having coffee anymore. Here you go.
Thank you, boss.
Coffee lover.
Thank you.
How can you drink that much coffee?
I don't know. Just like it.
Now you're gonna drink my leftover. I can't believe this. I'm tired of coffee now. Enough for me for today. John washed my car yesterday and it is shiny. She is shiny. Okay, so I just got to Walmart. I'm excited. I'm gonna take you guys along with me, get my seeds. So my plan is to get some okra, some eggplant, some spinach, some hot peppers, which is my favorite. I just love hot pepper. I can't eat without hot pepper. I just love it. John can't eat hot pepper because he can't. He just can't, but I just love it. And I can't eat food, guys. I can't eat food without any hot pepper. Okay, I got to my spot. What I'm looking for, these are seeds. There are so many. Oh yeah, I also need thyme. So, and this is cabbage. I don't think I'm gonna do cabbage. They're just so messy. Broccoli, I love broccoli, beets, and here spinach, 2 types of cucumbers. So I'm gonna get this 2 packs. I'll put that right here. get dimes, but I don't know if I am gonna get the seeds or I'm just gonna buy a little plant. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna buy a little plant instead of seeds because it's gonna take so long. Look, what did I find? These small little trees of thymes. Yes, you are coming home with me in my backyard. Mint. You guys, I love this. I love this swing. But I already have a swing. Like, I have the little kid swing. Not really. It's $198. I have nowhere to put this because I already fill my backyard. Guys, this is so cool. So yeah, I just can't wait to show you guys in 1 to 2 weeks when the plant goes little tree, and that's the excitement part that I just like it. I just love it. So for now, I'm gonna leave you guys for this vlog. I will see you guys in another vlog, but before you leave, don't forget to click that subscribe button and show your support, and also tell us what kind of video would you guys like us to do on the vlog videos, and please comment your comment. We do read all your comments, guys. So and subscribe and like and share the videos. Until next time, bye bye.